Okay, so day two, and we just woke up. It's 8:30 a.m. in the morning. We just came down to have tea. So the plan now is to go scuba diving, and after that we are gonna go to Tsunami Island, and after that we're gonna see what we can do today. Anyway, look at Moto Wolf. It's so fresh. So hello again there. We are sitting on the boat. That's Moto Wolf. And we are en route scuba diving. And I'll be honest with you. I'm damn scared. He seems to be okay though. Let's see how this goes. So that there is Sindhudurga Fort. Big wave.
दोन्ही
Okay, thumbs up. Thumbs up to get out. Okay, exactly. Okay.
खाली पोरं लागणार तर
हां.
दोन्ही हाताने पण ते टाईट ठेव काही झालं रे तोंडातून सोडून बघ पाणी
Run away, run away. And I know, and I know, and I know I'm right now. We can change anything and make it better. Together now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains, we have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for.
So while we were scuba diving, we couldn't resist the urge to have street food, and this is some different kind of street food. It's actually boat food. Such fun, much wow. Done with scuba diving. That's our boat. Piche. It was a very good experience. Abhi we are walking back towards our hotel, and we'll change up, we'll get ready, and then go to Tsunami Island. So we have left the hotel and now we are going towards Tsunami Islands. That's Rohit with me, and I might be talking a little softly right now because I checked yesterday's footage and whatever I spoke has just blown up, and the microphone has just noise got over all of it, so the audio was very bad. So right now I'm talking very softly. Anyway, we are very hungry and we are heading towards Tsunami Island. So for what we are gonna do is first we are gonna go stop, eat lunch, and then we are going to head towards Tsunami Islands. So we have stopped for lunch at this place and we are sitting on the beach. That's the sea right there. ओके आम्ही दोनच जण आहे. 300 रुपये जाऊन यायचं दोन्ही मिळून.
जाऊन यायचं
Okay, so this guy, he offered us to take to the boats. So we are going towards Tsunami Islands, and this is the person's contact number who's taking us. He's giving us a very reasonable price, so if you ever come here you can call this number up. In the boat right now we are headed towards Tsunami Islands. Serious look on his face.
Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for.
Ride this and they are providing me a jacket. So riding safety is important, unless even when you are on the road and even when you are in the water. Nice. So guys, we are going to ride Yamaha VX700S, reportedly powerful than an R1, right? बसू का? See, I'm cornering.
ऍक्सिलेटर आहे हळूहळू वाढव
Okay.
आकडे तिकडे गेल्यावर तर तुम्हीच पाडता.
Okay, this is not easy peasy lemon squeezy. I can ride a motorcycle easier. So Yamaha, great job with this one. I will review this product as 7 out of 10. And I'm cornering now. Yay! Okay, so now he's gonna do some weird shit. I'm gonna say that wasn't scary at all because I want to be a hard ass. So I just rode on that. We had some fun with his GoPro. Now we are headed off this beautiful place. So catch you guys soon. Okay, so a quick update. We have reached our room. Now we are gonna go to the beach and click a few pictures. So you can check the pictures out on my Instagram. The Instagram account link is in the description box below. So this was it for day 2, guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, give it a thumbs down. अभी इतना देखा है तो thumbs up दे दो यार. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is me signing off. Bye bye.